Subscribe now. Now click on next button. Click next. Select India and next. Select privacy and click on next. Click on next. Click on skip button. Select next option. Click skip button. Select next, skip button. Click on select app drawer and select next. But this phone is protected by FRP. Please go back. Simply start. Next. Click next and connect Wi-Fi. You must connect Wi-Fi and click next button. Now simply scroll down and click on add network, and the keyboard menu is coming. Click on keyboard menu, select setting button. Click on account option. Select middle and share that one. Click on share button. Select share me option. Click agree. Select next button and allow all. Allow. Click next button. Now the scanner is coming. Use another Android phone to send activity launcher. I am already installed in activity launcher and share me apps in old phone. You can also, these apps will be available in Play Store. You must download. Now click on receive button. Now the scanner will come in old phone. Now scan the QR code in new phone. Click on connect button. Now connecting the phone. Now select send files in old phone and click on apps and select activity launcher and send activity launcher only. Now activity launcher is coming and coming to the new phone. Click install. After installation, click on run button. Click OK button. Now loading all apps and select search button. Click on search and type second space. Click second space fingerprint. Now select skip option. After selecting the skip option, now the Google account is successfully bypassed in Redmi phone. This method will work in all Redmi phones. You can also try. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.